Pretty much my entire life I've had trucks. That's what I was born and raised, just everybody having trucks. I owned a 2002 Silverado. That was my first car, actually, her first truck. We fixed a bunch of damage on it and repainted it, and it was kind of a cool project for me to learn on when I was a kid. So far on this truck, I've lowered it 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back. I've put a cutout exhaust on it, has a cold air intake. I did a chrome delete all the way around, painted to match all the grills, bumpers, handles, and then I also painted the roof black and added the appliques on the side and tinted windows. You see a lot of lifted trucks around here and you don't see too many lowered. And I just liked having something different. I've had a bunch of lifted trucks in the past, and this one I just wanted a different project. I do have a fishing boat that I take around. I also, it's my daily driver that I take back and forth to work. And in general, it's just a fun truck to drive. It has the 6.2 liter, so it gets up and goes. I wouldn't say it might be the funnest part about it, but I love being able to have the room in the back to haul everything. You can haul a boat, you can fit all your kids inside the car or whatever you need to. And like, this truck's still fun to drive. The Chevy trucks are better just because I really love the interiors and I love the body lines that they've done on all of them. I think they're just a good looking truck in general. I believe trucks have changed quite a bit over the last 10 years. They've added a lot of advancements into them, just in the feel of the throttle and getting more throttle response out of them, and just being a smoother ride, and just the technology they've added in them, period. The sound system in this thing's great. My name's Austin Gillum, and this is my 2018 Silverado.